This will be an unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. No, not that K20, this K20, the phone. So you can see here's the packaging, Redmi K20 Pro on each side. And check out that little artwork right there, pretty cool. And 8GB, 128GB model, so you can see. Pretty cool box, I like the purple and the pink down here with the black. Very nice. Let's go ahead and make an incision, and it says here, do not accept if seal is broken. Well, I'm about to break it, so bada bing, bada boom. K20 Pro. And then what do we got? Redmi, designed by Xiaomi, as you can see. Little dinosaur there, pretty cool. And I think it's a case in here, right? I believe. Yes, we do get a case. We'll have a quick look. Oh, very nice. Hard shell kind of case, very thin. And it says they're Redmi, designed by Xiaomi. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it says right there. Camera cutout, etc. Pretty cool. We'll put this to the side. And what is this? Documentation and stuff. We'll just get rid of that. And then this is the phone. As you can see, with too many stickers, we'll put the phone to the side and turn it on. Let that boot up. And then this is the power adapter, as you can see. And what do we got? Read the specs if you want. And then charging cable. And is that it? No headphones in the box? Well, budget device, right? So a little lacking in the accessories, but that's fine. And woo! We'll put the plastic to the side, and then we'll do the same thing on this. Put that to the side, and this is the phone itself. And let's have a quick look. Redmi, designed by Xiaomi, right there, as you can see. And we have your triple camera setup with the red little trim right there, like I said earlier. Nice touch, flash, and on this side, volume rocker and the contrasting red power button, similar to the Pixel phones. Very nice, love that. And then on this side of the phone, completely clean. And then let's see on the bottom, you have your SIM slot, USB Type-C, microphone, and a speaker. And on top, this is the pop-up camera, microphone, and a headphone jack. Very nice to see in 2019. Let's go ahead and turn the phone on, and then we'll just have a look. Let's go ahead and go to the settings. We'll see the kind of Android we have and all that good stuff. Android version 9, Pi, the RAM 8GB model, and then the storage here, 128GB model, and out of the box you get 114 gigs. Not bad. Snapdragon 855 on this guy. And here, as you can see, the MIUI version 10.3 stable, and I think there's an update already. And can't connect to the network. Oh, because I have to connect to Wi-Fi. Duh, let me do that real quick. And we'll go ahead and check out the camera real quick. And then photo locations, I'm gonna decline that. And ultra wide angle mode, 0.6x. So let's go ahead and what can I take a picture of? We'll just take a picture of this. And then go like that. And then picture of all this junk right here on my table. Put that in the video, and then let's see, let's check out the front-facing camera. As you can see, pops up right there, very similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro, as you can see. So let's go ahead and just compare these two. Quick size comparison, OnePlus 7 Pro, a little bit bigger overall, taller, a little bit heavier too. And then we'll go like this. Have a look for yourself. And then from the front, what is this? It's the sticker you got on the phone. Get out of here. We'll turn on the displays. See for yourself. From the sides. And then let's see, the bottom. Kind of compare that. And then the tops. Right there. We'll go ahead and compare this also to the budget phone from 2018 that's very popular, Pocophone F1, Redmi K20 Pro, a little bit bigger overall, a little bit wider, a little bit taller. As you can see, turn on the displays, big notch on the F1, and then from the sides, the bottom, and the top, both phones having a headphone jack, which is good to see. Look at this display, very nice. Goes right up to the edge, very similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's test out the speaker performance. Go ahead and play this. Put it next to the mic. Unfortunately, no stereo sound on this, only a bottom firing speaker, but it looks good. Nonetheless, very nice. Add your fingerprint, so you can see you have the optical scanner here in display. Done. Not too bad. And we'll go ahead and test it out right meow. So you can see there's the indicator, and boom, just touch it. Nice and fast, and then we'll do it again. One more time for giggles. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. versus the OnePlus 7 Pro, Xiaomi Pocophone F1, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, Xiaomi Mi 9, Huawei P30 Pro, etc. Thanks for watching. Peace out.